Elon Musk's insane car collection. It should be no surprise that the CEO of Tesla is a fan of cars, since he and his team have come up with some nice, sporty looking electric vehicles. This love of cars inspired much of Tesla company's products. He has had 14 cars in total, from normal to the sporty, and of course Teslas. Elon Musk's crazy car collection has a decent variety that would catch anyone's eye. And some of these are pretty expensive, as you might have guessed. So let us have a look into Elon Musk's car collection. 1978 BMW 320i. Let's start with the first car Musk ever owned. It was only $1,400 and not really the most reliable car in the world, the 1978 BMW 320i. This car was a short-lived project that he fixed himself, but the car only stuck around for 2 years. He got rid of the car after the wheels literally fell off due to an intern in his first company, Zip2, using it, and somehow managed to make the wheels fall out. Not the most exciting car to start with, but we all must start from simple beginnings. Ford Model T. The next car will be a bit of a throwback to one of the most influential vehicles in history, the Ford Model T. For those unaware, the Ford Model T was the first attempt to make cars affordable to ordinary people, since cars were luxuries for the wealthy. This car was one of the best-selling, with 17 million sold. It gave rural people connection to bigger areas of the country and helped develop the highway system. Musk got this retro car as a gift from a friend. The Model T makes a great car to have in any collection as a reminder of the roots of modern cars. McLaren F1. Racing along, Elon Musk had once owned a McLaren F1, a sports car that is a total speed demon. The F1 proudly held the title of world's fastest production car set by Guinness World Records in March 1998, which reached speeds up to 240.1 miles per hour. He said that he used it daily. The story of this once owned F1 ends in an insane accident in the year 2000. While he and his friend Peter Thiel, co-founder of PayPal, were in Silicon Valley, Peter asked Musk what the car can do, and Elon showed him just how fast that racing beast can go. He pressed the pedal and hit embankment on the road, and the car was sent through the air, a few feet off the ground. The aftermath resulted in a complete mess. Thankfully, both men made it out alive. Hammond BMW M5. Elon gave BMW another chance with the Hammond BMW M5. The standard M5 has been described as the most impressive BMW line and has the strongest standard BMW engine. Standard models can push 560 horsepower while the competition model goes to 575. The Hammond is a modified version of the M5 and Musk made it wider to look fierce. 1967 Jaguar Series 1 E-Type Roadster. Going back to the vintage, the 1967 Jaguar Series 1 E-Type Roadster comes up. It is an incredibly sleek two-seater convertible that takes us back to the style of the late 60s. The Roadster was a gift that Musk gave to himself. He discovered the car when reading a book about classic convertibles at age 17. Out of the catalog, the Roadster caught his eye and he wanted to buy it one day. Now that he is a successful businessman, it's obvious he would buy the one car he desired for so long. He got the money with a bonus paycheck received from Zip2, which was about $40,000. Porsche 911. With plenty of expensive luxury cars in his collection, it should be no surprise that Musk would have a Porsche 911. He praised Porsche as high performance when talking with Vanity Fair. It should also be no surprise that this car holds a heavy price tag starting at $91,000. This car doesn't mess around, with its top speed clocking in at 183 miles per hour when in manual and 182 in automatic. Audi Q7. We will look at a car you'd normally see just about anywhere and one you wouldn't think could be a choice for a CEO. It's more practical and not as nice as the other cars we saw, but it did inspire Musk to develop the Tesla Model X, which is an SUV like the Q7. He found problems with the SUV, calling it particularly bad, and criticizes the effort of getting into the backseat. The Model X was designed by Musk to improve upon the problems, and he handled the frustration with the back doors by using a falcon wing design that opens upward. Though a great solution, there have been issues reported with the doors. Lotus Esprit. Lotus Esprit is a submarine car like the one seen in movies. It's like James Bond, though it really is a car from the James Bond movie. The movie was The Spy Who Loved Me, released in 1977. Any fan of the movie could have guessed right away that the submarine car is the Lotus Esprit, which he bought at an auction which costs a little less than $1 million. The movie inspired him to buy the car and make the hybrid vehicle reality with the use of a Tesla electric powertrain. Tesla Model X. Reason tells us that if you are the CEO and don't drive your own company's car, that'd be a smack in the face. As we have said before, Musk took the notes from the bad Q7 features and made the Model X, which improved them like the Falcon Wing doors. The space in it can fit 7 people and get 351 miles in one charge. There is also a Model Y he has, which is another SUV that was shown last year and set to release next year. Tesla Model 3. The famous Model 3 also shows up in the collection, and it was supposed to be one of the most affordable cars priced at $35,000. But the plan ran into problems when it started cutting into other parts of its business, making the low price not so good for the company. There were many people pre-ordering Model 3s, over 400,000 people. And Tesla found that it was causing chaos among the company with layoffs and stores closing despite the setbacks. It is the most popular public choice because it's still cheaper than the other models. Tesla Model S. The Model S seems to be Musk's favorite as he is reported to drive frequently, possibly being his daily car. This model was one of the first publicly known cars off of Tesla's line back in 2012, helping the company become widely known. Quite pricier than the Model 3, but it does get more miles out of the battery. Tesla Cybertruck. Though it looks like a model in a Nintendo 64 game, it seems like it could have some power to it. Claim says it goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds. The Cybertruck isn't yet in production, but Musk has been spotted taking it out on its first public appearance back in late 2019 and from the pictures. Tesla Roadster. The once owned Roadster is not in his garage, but in outer space. Yes, you heard it right. This happened back in 2018 when Tesla and SpaceX put the car on one of their rockets with the dummy wearing a spacesuit as the driver. He did it to show that their rockets can go all the way to Mars, but it's really brave to send his own car for the pursuit of his dreams. So what is your dream car? Let us know in the comments section and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like these.